Hello, Chef here. Just finishing up a beef stew. Oh, this is going to be good. Yeah, this has been cooking for several hours in this Dutch oven and low temperature. So I'm just getting ready to thicken it. One of the questions students ask me the most is, Chef, what's your favorite thickening agent? Well, for me, here's one of them. I think you know what this is. Okay? Cornstarch. I like it. Roux is good, but roux is much more fattening. So cornstarch works pretty well for something like this. However, I'm adding some cornstarch right now. Here's a little slurry. Okay? It's a new word for you possibly. Slurry. It's French. It's a mixture of equal parts cornstarch and water. Oh yeah. So the slurry goes in and we mix it in. You can get fancy and use a whisk. However, I'm using just a rubber spatula. Works as well. And we want to thicken this all up. Okay? And people often ask me, well, how much do you use? Well, the answer is cabeza. Use your head. Use your best judgment, okay? Now it's starting to get thick. However, another tip I'd like to give you is you don't need to use just one thickener. You can use more than one. So in this case, I'm using a few tablespoons of semolina. Got some semolina right here. This is another thickener that works pretty well. You need to add this gradually and let it cook into the stock there, the juice. Yeah. Oh yeah, this beef stew's gonna be good. Smells wonderful. By the way, there's porcini mushrooms in here, beef, carrots, onions, celery, herbs, all kinds of good stuff. And I want you to explore this channel. And by exploring the channel, you're going to find recipes for stews like this. Yeah, it's going to be good. It's probably enough thickener in there. We need to let it simmer for just a little bit, and I'll be back. Oh, yeah. It's going to be good. Subscribe right down here. You'll be doing us both a favor, keeping in touch with the latest videos from the chefs, and you're able to search the database by subscribing right there. There's a ton of videos, thousands and thousands of videos. There's several stew videos. This one's going to be really good, and there's quite a few of them. It's getting thick. Okay, just getting ready to plate up some of this stew, and I want to show you how nice it is. Oh yeah, look at that. I got the porcini mushrooms in there, some beef. You can see all them hearty carrots and onions. A nice portion like this, okay? And I'm going to garnish with some baby heirloom tomatoes. Just a couple of these on here, like this. As well as a little bit of fresh basil, chopped basil there. Yeah, there we go. Thanks for watching. Get cooking. Oh yeah. Support your sponsor. And if you want to try this awesome beef stew, oh, it smells so good. Just search the channel. You're going to find some stew recipes. Yeah. Get cooking and have a great day. Select Hard Rock Maple is the chef's choice. Choose from several sizes. with a juice groove, without the juice groove, reversible, charcuterie board, solid walnut, solid cherry, even walnut rustic grain, reversible, round, square, rectangle, free shipping. Oh, it's gonna be good. Wow, the Jambus Cucina Elegante, handcrafted with the finest American hardwoods, food service grade stainless steel. The Elegante features 1.5-inch thick butcher block, available in several sizes and with several options. Call your sponsor and save money. Ask for a discount. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Boost blocks. Buy the best the first time. Save money. Oh, on a side note, some of my videos are touching on knife safety. So I suggest, especially for the kids, you get them cooking, get the chef's stainless steel glove. With this glove on, you have full protection. No cuts, no issues. I like it, it works, and wow, it protects. That's what it's all about, safety. Yeah, made in America, made in USA, only at your sponsor right there. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Here's a thicker one. This is end grain rock maple. The two treatments recommended are designed for working professional chefs' kitchens. There's a reason. Mystery oil is a food-safe, ultra-pure grade mineral oil. I really like it. Yeah, it's good stuff. And that's where I get it right there. It's used in combination normally with the board cream. Board cream is a natural moisturizer which seals out the elements, and it's primarily beeswax. I get it right there. Beeswax, let's see. Unbleached beeswax and food grade mineral oil. So these are the two products that we use, and we apply them monthly, generously, and you're going to learn more about that in just a moment. So the mystery oil is applied in a circular motion. So you use an applicator or a plastic bag, work it in a circular motion, do this monthly, and then let it dry overnight is preferred, and you can repeat. After it dries, you warm this in a bowl of water and apply just a few small dabs, and wow, it's going to be good. That is a safe cutting board. Every knife should be paired with a butcher block throughout the kitchen. Proper maintenance should be applied every month. The finished loaves. I love butcher block. Yeah, this is end grain maple. You can see it's ready for some more oil. This is edge grain cherry. It's been oiled once and then it's been sealed at the factory. It's really, really nice. I like it. And this one here, this is edge grain maple. So different looks and different sizes, different thicknesses. Edge grain has certain applications, end grain has certain applications. They're all on sale at your sponsor right there. In stock and quick shipping, you're gonna love it. By the way, this is an authorized dealer with over 50 years of combined experience in butcher block. So I suggest you shop with the experts. Get the best the first time. That's my motto. Get the best the first time. Ready to apply mystery oil. Give it a shake. A little bit of beeswax and mineral oil, some other good stuff in here. I like it. First application, just like this. Swirl motion. Yeah. Okay, once you got the swirl motion down, plastic bag. Why? Because it's recyclable and it's not flammable. I would not use cloth. It'll absorb too much and it becomes flammable. Oh, look at that block. Really, really nice. You can see all the hard work has paid off just with the look and the color. Oh, yeah. If you need one of these blocks, contact your sponsor. If you need the butcher block treatment. Okay, I'm in the kitchen. I've got this fresh basils looking really, really nice there. I've got a razor sharp knife. You're wondering just how sharp this is, right? Yeah. Always good to start with a very sharp knife.